Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer or just the contacts, it does not really matter, and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and now tap on add picture. Here you can either choose something from the device photos, monogram, Google Photos, or illustrations. Illustrations are available online and they are free of charge. So they are the best option to choose from if you do not have the photo of the specific person and you'd still like to customize the contact. Google Photos, here you've got your backed up photos, the monogram, so you can choose the font, the colors, etc. And device photos, where you can enter your own gallery or tap on the camera app, and your device will obviously open the camera app immediately, and you will be able to take a photo of someone who's in front of you. I'll choose something from the gallery, for example this one, that's cute, and here in this step you can change the position of the photo. You can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. Now we have to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.